How are you today? So today we're talking about the beginning letter sounds. And today we're talking about the letter sound of K. Letter K. Do you remember the letter K sound? Can you say that with me? Letter K sounds like what other letter? Letter K sounds like letter C. The same sound. All right, are you ready to get started? Get your letter K worksheet and let's begin. All right, your worksheet should look like this. But before we begin, what's the first thing that we must do? We must write our favorite food. Should we write our favorite food on the paper? No, we must write our name. We have to write our name first. So you can find where it says name and write your name. Okay, after we write our name, we always write the class. You must write your class. So if you are K-A blue, you should write K-A-B. If you're K-A yellow, you should write K-A-Y. Okay, the last thing we must do is to write the date. Now remember, we write from left to right. So start all the way over here. And today is the 11th, tanggal 11 of September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. 11 September. Okay, so I'm going to show you some pictures and I want you to listen to the beginning letter sound. If you think it starts with letter K, you should color it. If it does not start with K, put a big cross. Let's begin. Okay, in this first picture, what instrument is the boy playing? It makes the sound bum 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 bum. Do you know the name of this instrument? We call it the drums. Drums. Do you hear letter K, the K sound at the beginning of the word? Drums. Drums. Letter K, yes or no? No, it does not start with letter K. It starts with letter D. Drums. Give the picture a cross. Okay, you learned about this in computer class with Miss Ratna. Do you remember what this is called? Keyboard. Keyboard. Do you hear the letter K sound? Yes, we do. You can hear the letter K sound. K, K, keyboard. So you should color the picture. You can pause first and color. All right, this one here. Maybe it makes a sound ding, 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 ding. We call it a b, b, bell. B, b, bell. Do you hear the k sound? Is it a kell? No. It's a b, b, bell. You can put a cross it out, give it a big X. It does not start with letter K. This next picture, we talked about this one yesterday in class. What is this animal? It's a kangaroo. Do you hear the k sound? Kangaroo. Yes, you know this because you did this in art class. Kangaroo. Color the kangaroo. All right, the next animal. What animal is this? Maybe it can make the sound tweet, 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 tweet. We call this animal a bird. Bird. Do you hear the letter K sound? Bird. No, it does not start with letter K. It starts with letter B. Suara depan bukan k. It's b. You can cross the picture. Ooh, I think you know this one from yesterday as well. You can use this to open a door. We call it a key. Key. Do you hear letter K? Yes, you do. Key. It starts with letter K. Color the key. Do you know what this is? You can put T in it. We call it a teapot. Teapot. Do you hear the k sound? Teapot. No, this one does not start with letter K. It starts with letter T. Teapot. So what should we do? Color the picture? No, give it a big cross. Cross out the teapot. Can you find this one on your paper? What is this? It's a fish. Can you make a fishy face? A fish. 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 Do you hear a letter K? Fish. No, that does not start with the k sound. It's not a kish. It's a fish. Cross out the fish. What is this bug? We sing about it in our bye-bye song. Bye-bye, butterfly. Good. Let's say it together. butterfly. Butterfly. Do you hear letter K? No, we don't hear the K sound. We hear the B sound at the beginning. Butterfly. So let's cross it out. This one, I know you know this one. It's called a kite. You can fly a kite in the sky. Have you ever played with a kite before? What sound do you hear at the beginning? Kite. Does that start with letter K? It does. It begins with letter K. Kite. Color the kite. All right, KA, I hope you enjoyed this video today and making the letter K sound. One more time, what is the sound of letter K? I'm watching you. I'm listening to you. What's the sound? Louder. K. Very good. Good job. Letter K sounds the same as letter C. Different letter, different writing, same sound. All right, KA, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.